To my channel, welcome to my channel. This is PJ. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. Guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. Guys, as you know that I always bring you a well researched work, and today I'm back with another wonderful strategy that is going to help you guys a lot in trading boom and crash. You see, this particular strategy is used to catch up a multiple spike. Guys, it is the right time for you to catch up a lot of spike in the market. So I'm going to explain in this video on boom 500 and boom 1000. So I'm going to make another video for crash 1000 and crash 500. So guys, I only want to show you the settings of this indicator, so that you also can set it up on your phone in order to catch up multiple spike. So guys, I'm having my average directional movement index with the settings of this. You see the period is in 50. We have the style, which the first and the last one is in white color, which is the background of your trade. So if you are using black color, you can set that in black. So I'm only using the D plus DI here, which is the yellow color. So you have that, you don't have to add any level. So you press undo. Then we have the commodity channel index, which is the period of 14. We have applied to open. We have style to be in my blue color. So you press undo, leave the level. So we have the third one, which is the moving average, the period of 10, the shift of 0, the methods to be simple, apply to close. Then I have red as my color here. So guys, we have the last one here, which is the market here. We have the volume, we have the line weight, and we have the style. You just set it up like this, you see guys. So now guys, let me explain it to you how you can use this strategy to catch up a lot of spike. You see, I've been able to catch up a lot of spike with this strategy. Despite the fact that I'm using it on 1 minute time frames, I can still make money with this strategy. So what are you going to do, guys? What you are going to be watching out is everything in this window one. So guys, what you are going to be focusing more is everything in window one. So you have the two level for you to target at this level. Now if you want to catch up a multiple spike on boom 1000, you see that you have a two level that you need to focus on. So when your moving average move below the negative ordering, and your average directional movement move below, and also you also have your the third uh the third signal that move below the negative ordering. Guys, this is the right time for you to enter the market, and you keep onwards enjoying the spike up. So let me show you another sample of what I mean. It respected a lot anytime the three strategy went below the negative ordering. There is always a spike. There must be a spike. No matter how that thing is, there must be a spike. You see, market respect that level so much to the extent that you can catch up a lot of spike. You see, something happened exactly at this moment. You see now the three went below the ordering level from here, and you can see from here now it begin to spike up, and you can set up your stop loss here, and you keep on taking your trade up to this moment. You see the spike keep on continue in the market because it respect that level a lot. Okay, another entry confirmed from this area also, and you see that guys. So let me show you how it works on crash 1000, so that you can also see how it's working. You see now, currently now we are having a trade that everything move below the negative ordering. So my guys, so this is the right time for me to enter the market. So anytime from now we are expecting a spike in this market. So guys, let me show you some sample that I need to show you, so that you also can see how this strategy really works. You see, when the three of them meet together are below the negative ordering, what happened, spike keep on happening in the market, and you see that it keep on happening in the market. So you can use this one to what, to take up your word, to take up your spike, multiple spike, or you can catch up to like 2 to 3 spike. Then you are out of the market on in just 1 minute time frames, guys. Same thing happen here. You keep on what, catching up a spike. It's what, it's respect that level. And also you can use this to what, to trade on what, on 5 minutes time frames. You can use it to what, to trade on 5 minute time frames. As I always tell you guys, you see, it respect that level, it respect that level. The three entered this level, and what happened here, spike begin to happen, and it begin to move on a zigzag here, and before you know, it keep on what, spiking up to this level. You see that, up to this level, guys. So exactly, it works on what, it works on 1 minute time frames, it works on 5 minute time frame. You can just be taking your trade on 5 minute time frames. You see now, same thing happen here. So immediately the three moving average, the three moving, which is the moving average, the average directional movement, and the commodity, when they move below the what, the below the what, negative ordering, then what happen, you just enter your market, because sure, it's going to what, it's going to respect that level, and is going to begin to spike up in a big time, guys. So you see now, we have a lot of what, a lot of it in the market right now. You see the three of them went below the what, the negative ordering, and what happened here, we have our stop loss here, and we keep on what, keep on taking up the what, the spike in the market, guys. So if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel, and also you can what, you can like and comment on this channel. You can share us your experience so far using this fence strategy on this channel, and also you can also join our Telegram group for more updates.